Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Well, with Easter right around the corner, I thought it'd be fun to do a new egg dyeing technique. And this is an awesome one. It uses shaving cream, hard-boiled eggs, and food coloring. And you end up with this totally cool, swirly-whirly, tie-dyed egg. So I'm going to teach you how to make one right now. For this project, you're going to need shaving cream, neon or regular food coloring, plastic spoon, hard-boiled eggs, a plate or pan or tray that has a lip, paper towels, and a safe work surface. Gloves are optional. First thing we're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have your hard-boiled eggs ready to go. And if you don't know how to make hard-boiled eggs, there's a link down below that shows you how to do it. I'm going to be using, this is my work surface, but this is the perfect tray if you were going to do a lot of eggs. But since I'm only going to be doing one or two right now, I'm going to just use this little plate here that has a nice lip. And that's got a lip that gives us about 1.5 inches, which is what you want. And here you can see, you can use a cookie sheet or you can use a tray like this one if you're going to do a lot of these. So make sure you have your hard-boiled eggs already done. Mine are done right here. And put those off to the side here. And shake up your shaving cream. And put the shaving cream in your plate. Then use your spoon to spread it all around. Now I have been told that you can do this with Cool Whip, but I've never tried it. It seems a little sticky and sweet to me. So spread out your shaving cream so it's nice and smooth, kind of like a whipped cream pie there. And then you're going to take your neon food coloring. Now I want to show you something. This is using neon food coloring, and this is using regular food coloring. So you can see the difference between the two. The neon is a lot more vibrant. You're just going to take your drops of food coloring and just kind of drop them willy-nilly on your shaving cream. This is the fun part. Now, take your spoon and gently swoosh it up and down and kind of mix those colors together. So you're making kind of these really neat patterns and shapes. Very tie-dye or marbleized. Then once you've got it to a point that you like, take your hard-boiled egg, and this is where you might want to have gloves. And as you can see, I've been using it without gloves, and you'll see what happens to my fingers. Just roll your egg and make sure you coat it on all sides, and then place it on paper towel. And you can roll a bunch of eggs. And just lay them down. Do one more. And lay it down. Now we're going to let those rest for like 30 minutes. So I actually have some that I did earlier. These have been resting actually more than 30 minutes, but you're going to then place them under the tap. So you turn your kitchen faucet on and place them underneath it and let the water run on them. But because I can't do that right now, I'm just going to put them into a little water bath right here. And you can see all that shaving cream comes off, and you're left with this really cool tie-dyed egg. Isn't that neat? Here, I'll show you another one. And they all look different. That's what's really cool about it, depending on what colors they picked up. Like that one has a little yellow. You can see the swirly effect. Now, once you're done with your shaving cream and you got that lid, you can do something really cute, which is make a little basket, and then you can put your little egg in. Here, I'll put my dry one in. There you have it. Your tie-dyed Easter eggs. And listen, when you're all done with that shaving cream, you can turn the top into a little Easter basket. All I did was take my top, add some cute little washi tape around there, glued a ribbon on inside, and added some stickers from Easter. And you make a cute little basket out of the top. For more great ideas for recycled and for Easter, check us out at Sophie-World.com.